In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Discord pop-up notifications. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications from Discord, you can go ahead and stop them once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to achieve this, you need to access Discord app information page. And there are quite a number of steps you can take. Just go ahead and look for settings. And then from settings, go ahead and tap on it. And then go ahead and look for the option called apps. And here it is. I'll go ahead and click on it. So once you get here, look for this option called manage apps. Now it depends on your smartphone. I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So look for this option called manage apps or all apps. On some smartphones, it might be written more apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you see your app. And here is my app. Now, if you can't find it here, you can as well go ahead and use the search function here and just search for Discord. And as you can see, our Discord is here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, from here, you can see we are on the app information page. It is from this page that we shall go ahead and turn off the notifications. Now, if you're finding it hard to find this page, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. For that, just go back and then go ahead and look for your app. And once you get your app, go ahead and long press on it and you'll see this option called App Info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. Now look for this section called Permissions, and under Permissions, look for the option called Notifications. Currently, as you can see, notifications are turned to yes, and if I tap on it, you can see we have so many types of notifications that are on. So to turn them off, go ahead and turn off, but instead of turning one by one off, go ahead and use this option called Show Notifications and toggle this button off to turn off all the other types of notifications. Once you are done, you'll never again see any pop-up notification from Discord app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.